Okay, guys, I just want you to know I got a new set of bees this year. I think this is like my third set. I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's pretty much neglect on my part, but I want to make a conscious effort to make sure I check on them. But something interesting just really happened to me as I was trying to set up my camera to kind of give you guys a run or in and out of what bees do. I just had a bee just come sit right up on my little microphone, on my camera. So hopefully I can get this. It just flew off. If I can get this to stay, we'll have just a beautiful bee view. This my yard is not stable or anything like that. So, or should I say it's unleveled. So I don't know if you guys could see them going in and out, but let's do this. I wanted to try to get some close-ups of them, but what they're doing, and I'm in their travel path, is they're going in and out, and a lot of them have pollen on their legs, and then bringing the pollen in. So later on today, probably after I turn the camera, I may show it, I may not. Again, I only had these maybe less than a month, I think, and I've been doing feeding them like a supplemental, like sugar syrup or something like that, and I know they're out. So I want to go ahead and fill that up and kind of give them what they need. Although things are blooming, I don't think it's enough. And I want to pretty much build this hive up, these hives up strong so that they can be better fighting off any pests or anything that may come their way. So right now we'll just enjoy the bee show, and I'll probably do some close-ups at another angle just so you guys can see and enjoy the wonder of bees, because they truly are wonderful insects. Enjoy. What's weird is, guys, is that there's a little lizard right there. Oh, it just went back, just basking in the sun. They're buzzing, they're humming, they're going in and out. They're just doing what bees do. So far, they look good. They come in different color. Got light colored pollen, dark colored pollen on the legs. Some don't have pollen. Oh, yes, they do. They have it on. Yeah. This is so interesting. I mean, I can sit outside and watch nature. I mean, literally, for hours and hours and hours. It's just a beautiful thing. That's why I gotta bring another cooler. I didn't know you had it. I didn't know it had an extra cooler. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. That's why I said, oh, I got the thermostat cooler. I got the power one. I didn't have just the wire. Yeah, no, you good now. Oh, okay. Wait on you. Like a roller coaster. Once you get to the top, you ain't got no good but to calm down and everything. I mean, in a roundabout way. So, guys, I'm kind of like watching because I just had someone new move next to me and they got a little dog. So it looks like a black lab, but there is no fence between our properties. Although I have trees, I'm just making sure that this dog doesn't make a dash for my chickens because they're out. But I don't want to take any chances. So I'm watching closely, and I'm watching the bees. They're going about their day, doing their job. So guys, they are buzzing, 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 buzzing. I turned my back for a minute and they started buzzing up a storm. I'm not sure what time it is, but usually in the late evening, they all start coming back home or getting off from work, as they say. So this is what they're looking like. They're buzzing all over the place. So this right here is a sign of a somewhat healthy hive. I hope they stay this way. And so hopefully later on I'll be able to come out and give them the little nectar mixture and just see how everything's going with them.